Make this recipe and surprise everyone. We're going to start with the potatoes. We'll use 400 grams. Peel them and cut them into thick slices like this. Then, transfer them to a pot. Cover with water and add a pinch of salt. Give it a quick stir and let them cook. Meanwhile, cut about 300 grams of chicken breast into small cubes. Transfer them to a bowl and season with black pepper, salt, paprika, and a drizzle of olive oil. Mix well and distribute evenly. Now, in a frying pan, add a drizzle of olive oil. Place the chicken pieces in the pan. Add a tablespoon of butter and stir, letting them fry until they're nicely golden on all sides. Once golden, remove and set aside. With the potatoes cooked, drain the water and place them in the same pan where we prepared the chicken. Stir well to absorb the chicken seasoning into the potatoes. Now, add 3 minced garlic cloves and another tablespoon of butter. Stir while the butter melts and the garlic turns golden. At this point, return the chicken to the pan and mix everything together. Add chopped green onions to taste. Stir again. Here we have our version of juicy, well-seasoned chicken and potatoes, ready to be served. What do you think? Leave a comment below and share your own chicken and potato recipe with us. Also, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more. That's it for today, and we'll see you next time.